I need to take my mask off. یعنی باید ماسکمو در بیارم. I need to take my mask off to talk to you for a moment. To talk to you for a moment. یه لحظه باید صحبت کنم. Take your mask off. Take your sunglasses off and talk to me for a moment. Take your sunglasses off. Put your sunglasses on to talk to me for a moment. بچه mandatory یعنی اجباریه. It used to be mandatory to put your mask on که ماسک بزنی. It used to be mandatory. تکرار کن. It used to be.
It used to be.
Used. صدای تو میده. U-S-E-D. صدای تو. It used to be mandatory to put your mask on. But nowadays, in روزا, nowadays we don't have to put on masks because the restrictions have been already lifted. دیگه محدودیت ها برداشت شده. The restrictions have already been lifted. The restrictions, coronavirus restrictions, have already been lifted. Then you don't have to put on your masks. You can take off your mask wherever you go, public places, indoor places, محلهای سرپوشیده, and outdoor places. It is not mandatory. اجباری نیست. It is not mandatory to wear your mask. It is not mandatory to wear your masks. پس وقتی میگیم در بیار ماسک, take off your mask to recognize your face. در فرودگاه هیترو لندن وقتی وارد میشی, when you get to the airport, when you arrive at the airport, the immigration officer میگه, please take off your mask for a moment. I need to recognize your face. If you wear sunglasses, he asks you, ازت میخواد, please take off your sunglasses, take off your glasses. I gotta recognize. یه دستگاهی دارم بهش میگیم recognition machine. They just need to recognize, یعنی تشخیص هویت بدن. Recognize your face. واژه recognize مثلا یکی رو بعد 10 سال میبینی. Oh, do you remember me? I'm sorry, I can't recognize you. یعنی دیگه نمیشناسم because he has changed a lot. بعضیا در طول سال, some people change a lot. Appearance, ظاهر. Appearance. Because of the passage of time. They change a lot. حالا بچه ها نکته اینه, mandatory یعنی اجباری, optional اختیاری, it's optional, compulsory اجباری. Wearing masks is not obligatory in London, in the UK. It is not obligatory. It is not obligatory or mandatory. Mandatory. Obligatory. Love you.